Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Yaris side mirror. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench, possibly with an extension. A plastic trim removal tool is also essential to prevent damage to your car's interior. Make sure your new replacement mirror is on hand before you begin. Next, we'll remove the interior door panel to access the mirror's mounting hardware. Begin by locating and removing any screws, typically found near the door handle or armrest. Then, using your trim removal tool, carefully pry around the edges of the door panel to release the plastic clips. Once loose, lift the panel and disconnect any electrical harnesses before setting it safely aside. With the door panel off, you can now access the mirror. First, disconnect the electrical connector attached to the old mirror. Then, using your 10mm socket wrench, remove the 3 bolts holding the mirror in place. Be sure to support the mirror as you remove the last bolt to prevent it from falling. Now, carefully position your new mirror, feeding its electrical harness through the opening. To complete the installation, secure the new mirror with its 3 10mm bolts, tightening them snugly. Reconnect the electrical harness to the mirror, ensuring a firm connection. Before reattaching the door panel, test the mirror's functionality, including any power adjustments or turn signals. Finally, carefully reattach the interior door panel, pressing firmly to engage all clips and reinstalling any screws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.